Hello, I'm Ray from Hamilton High School. I'm a senior, and this is my computer science project. It deals with matrices in math, and I do not have time. So I'm just going to get into these questions. So when we start the project, we get creative with this. We can add, list, delete a matrix, an operation determinant, or we can find the inverse. So we can't really do any of those except for add. So we want to add these two matrices. We'll call the first one A, so 2 by 2, 8, 2, 1, 8, and 6 as according to these elements. And we want to add the other one. We'll call it B, and it's also a 2 by 2. It is 9, 0, -4, and 2. And we want to do an operation on A and B, and we want to add them and we get 7, 1, 4, and 8. We only need to fill out this one, and it's correct. Now, moving on to multiplication. We can save it, but I don't want to. We'll add C, which is a 2 by 2, 4, -1, 9, and 9, as according to this matrix. And we want to add D, 2 by 2, -6, 6, 2, -4, as according to this one. An operation on C and D, and we want to multiply. And that will give us -26, -26, that's positive, 28, 1, is -72, 90, and we get it right. Next, I want to show the inverse. Add, this is unnamed, call it bruh, it's a 3 by 3, -4, 0, 0, -8, -1, 0, 8, 7, 1, and inverse on bruh, and we get this. This is basically trash. That's 1/4, that's 0, 0, oh, not there, 2, -1, 0. Thank God these are all whole numbers. -16, 7, and 1. Okay, that's right. So next I show determinant. This is going to be named 2. It is a 2 by 2, 1, -8, 6, and 2. And determinant of row 2, and it's 50. Okay, so how much more time do I have? Do I quit? No, I have 2 minutes, surprisingly. Okay, this is the code. That was weird. Okay, so this is the code. So I have a class that basically stores the whole matrix and the determinant and the inverse. The way we get these is through other class functions, like the inverse right here. We have the identity, which is basically uh, the diagonal is all zeros, and no, the diagonal is all ones, and the rest of the matrix is 0. And then we just do row reduction. Basically, it's math, and I did math things with this. But anyway, so it's just math concepts with my code. Oh, I need to pause this. Okay, so found out what I was gonna say. So basically, we have a dictionary somewhere in here that right here that stores all of the matrices given a name. So down here, when we actually add a matrix, we get the name, and then after all that, no, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong thing. Add matrix, which is here. We get the name of the matrix, then we add it to this dictionary, and then that name is now associated to that matrix that has the inverse, the determinant, and all of that.